This is a video of our 1965 StarCraft Chieftain 18-foot restoration. The first step in this restoration was just about removing everything. The transom was completely rotten, so we had to get the whole back of the boat undone and all disassembled before we could move on.
Took that off. They have a whole
The original 1965 wood was completely infested with ants. Finally, we successfully had the transom out of the boat. The next step was removing the paint. That citrus strip, we found that product to work best for removing the paint. You just paint it on with a brush and then let it sit. After it sits for a while, you can take the pressure washer and blow the rest of the paint off the boat. But it really wasn't just that simple. The paint didn't want to come off very easily. It took a ton of sanding and many days and many hours to get it to this point.
All that paint is removed all around, and also we got new wood in the back. We got a new cap on the other side. Got all this, all the paint's off under this. This is just a primer, new replaced wood, put stainless steel hardware. This is new. And I removed like all the paint off the bottom with a sander and a wire wheel and all the rivets, so yeah.
Finally, an exciting day has come. The boat is ready for paint. So here's it all taped up on its stand. The first coat was epoxy primer. Oh, there's some Trex that we put on the boat. Yep, instead of wood, we went with Trex. Now that's the final Rust-Oleum boat paint. White on the top, battleship gray on the bottom. You can see the whole back of the boat is ready for the motor.
All right, stop. Now, turn a little bit that way. Don't lower it yet.
Okay, so now the motor's on the boat, and if you notice, that's our trailer. It has brand new tires, it has diamond plate fenders, and we're all ready to go. It's pretty exciting now. So in the next photo, you'll see we painted the benches and carpeted the floors. And then in this photo, you'll see that we added hull liner. There's EVA foam on the sides and upholstery on some of the compartments that I did, upholstering the seats. Well, we've all caught fish in the boat. Here I am with a fish. Next is my son with a lake trout as well. My dad has done well in this boat. Here we are at Lake George. The boat handles excellent, does about 25 miles per hour with that 50. Here we are at Lake George, some people jumping off high rocks.